What a day. February. What's today's date? 21st. It's Mama's birthday. Big day for this old girl. She's been around since she was brand new. She don't have 100,000 miles on her yet. So 03. 6-speed. First year HO, 6-speed setup and all that. This 41's going at Tupelo. Picking up a square body, but yeah, this thing I've grown up in. She's fixing to have 100,000 miles. We'll film it and document the whole thing. It's crazy. Alright, we're gonna give everything one more check before we hit the road. Looks good. Looks good. Pins is in everything. Let me show you the mileage. How'd you turn that off? Is it off? I don't know. Right there. 99,892. She'll roll over 100 on this trip. This truck is 23 years old. Daddy's had it since it was like, what was it, 3 miles on it when you got it? It had 3 miles on it when he picked it up. He bought it in Louisville, Mississippi at, was it Krausen then or Louisville Auto World? Might have been Krausen then. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Krausen. And as soon as we got it, we went on vacation in it in Gatlinburg. I'll never forget it. I was a much younger man then. That's usually know we're looking at these old ones, like them over there. And it's nice to appreciate the new classics. Yeah, this old girl's going to Durails. He's a 41 Ford man. This one, I think you guys watched us on this one. We put HEI ignition, disc brakes. We did a double master cylinder on it. The paint on it's original. We went to cruising the coast in it. A good car. Flathead V8, 3-speed, runs like a dream. It's a good unit. Inside's like brand new in it. Let's get it to Tupelo. Well, we're sitting at 99911. And these cigars have been in here since 2003. Huh. Yeah, the rabbit feet. They were in Daddy's 93 GMC, bought new. So 91. Yeah, the S10. So them rabbit feet were bought in 1991. I remember when we bought them. So what is that? 25 years old? Oh Lord, that's 35 years old. Good Lord, how old am I? 35. Shout out to John Dylan Manning. He just got born yesterday.
Hey, John Dylan.
How you like that? West Point, Mississippi, and we are 49 miles away from that elusive 100,000. We're almost Tupelo. We're 11 miles away. Alright, let's watch it. You take this exit. Another long mile. Man, I'm gonna run out of memory.
Maybe a 10 right
man, that's the worst case scenario. I'm leaned over a console, shaking. I can't keep them on it. Hey! 23 years in the making. My goodness. Alright, we are back at the rails. How cool is that? 66. Got a fuel injected 5 liter and a T5 5-speed. Crown Vic. Sunliner. Yeah. Man, ain't that something? Alright, we are on the way back. We got the big old K10 in tow. And Darrell has made us a fine homemade wine. My word, it's good. So, I ain't driving. Pop's driving. We heading back with it. We in Verona. We got to make a pit stop to the bathroom. Never been to. We came through 1,000,000 times. Y'all seen Darrell shop 1,000,000 times. This is what downtown Verona looks like. Looks pretty cool, I ain't gonna lie.
Did you ever see Hardy was this way?
Yeah, Hardee's is this. We gotta go to Hardee's and we gotta grab a chocolate shake and a bathroom. I see businesses up there. Alright, with the help of some Hardee's greasy french fries, we're back on the road with the square body K10. Here we go. Alright, we're on the way back. What's that mileage at now? Push your button. 100,072. And we are going to be coming by the pony. Yeah, the pony kind of got famous from that song. It was legit kind of famous or infamous. But yeah, that song really, it's a lot of TikTokers and YouTubers posting videos of this joint right there because of that song. Oh, look at him, he's pulling up for it.